On this episode, we're working on the tailgate. I mean, putting stuff on the tailgate, finishing the tailgate type stuff. We're in the back of the shop. So normally we're over there. I'll spin you around. That's where the cars live. This is where the Ducati lives. Then the Kawasaki and the Honda. Sandblaster, compressor, whatnots. And then truck parts over here. You know, storage. Until I get rid of some stuff. So this is the Marquez tailgate, goes with the Marquez truck bed, and this one has a hidden latch system. So this is the tailgate closer, holder, locker thinger, and it is stainless because, you know, and it only goes on one way right here. That is not right. It only goes on one way. Right here. Like that. Yes. And this little pusher downer hooks, little latcher thinger hooks into this dealamabob. And that's what opens and closes the tailgate. Well, that's what allows the tailgate to stay closed. How's that? And it's 1/4-inch stainless screws. I would say they're bolts, but they have a screw head in them, so technically a screw. And then it screws into the tailgate itself. So I'm going to use a little Loctite just in case. And then you got to use a big number 3. One screw at a time, please. On the latch itself, it has some catchy washer lockers that are built in to help it from backing out, but a little Loctite never hurt. So we have a body rag and then a hand rag because I don't want to touch it. And I don't want to drag it. And I don't want to drop it because it's got paint on it. Whoa. And then for the push lever, there's this nice little aluminum piece. with some stainless bolts. And then these are the little buttons that the tailgate latches to on the inside. So this is stainless, and I don't know what this is, but we're screwing into paint. So on the face of the bolt, I put a little grease to help it slide, and then some tape on the tool. Try to minimize any damage. This is a 5/16 button head, so missed. It'll take a little bit of torque, but not a lot. We're good. And then this is for the drop arms. This is for the drop arms to hold the tailgate. These were welded on from Marquet. There's also a screw-on version that's similar to this on either side. For whatever reason, I didn't distinguish, and that's the way it came. So this has paint on it, which means, the paint's probably going to get scratched. But it does have a washer that they put on first that goes against the truck bed side, so not so much scratching there, hopefully. And then the other thing I did to the bed off camera was fit the fuel filler cap and filler hose. So the tank's under the bed, and I just didn't want a filler cap in the wood. I mean, if I could have found one that mounted like right here in the center perfectly, I probably might have, but then you have problems with wood pieces holding down. So I did this a long time ago when I was putting it all together. It's complicated. But this is an aircraft. This is an aircraft style filler. So you pop this, flip it, and then it comes out. And it has a chain so you don't lose it, but it would go and bounce against this paint, and I don't want that. So you're going to have to be careful when you put it down. Make sure you put it back on. Otherwise, you're going to be shooting gas out. And then if you look, you can look into the hole and maybe see the edge of the filler for the tank. My light keeps getting in the way. Yeah, it does. Maybe a little bit. Now there's a fingerprint. Where's my clean rag? That's better. So the fill's only going to go in, you know, but it'll go in and down. And the tank's baffled, so there's, even if there's some slosh back up, this has a rubber seal on it to keep it in there. Yeah. 4 different ways of aligning it. So the tailgate's put together. The truck bed is hanging loose, but it's together. So next step is I got to get the tailgate, put a hinge on, put the tailgate on, put a hinge on, and then get the tailgate up in here, clock it into place, and then squeeze bed together to align it. Make sure it's not cattywampus, and then we can tighten all of the bolts and hold the bed into place and keep it there without scratching any of the paint. So just thinking about it elevates my stress level. But I think there's enough clearance where I can put this sheet down like this, get the bed on, get the tailgate on, probably cut a hole in this. But I'm going to need a helper. And my helper's at work for the next 2 days. So when he gets back, that's what happens next. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. And then on the thing itself, it's got some little catchy waver washer nut thing, or catchy. And then on the part itself, it's got some catchy wafer. And then